Kitty cat.
That's Maddie's cat.
Is it? Hey, kitty cat. This is my Allison. So pretty. Good bike rider. She doesn't know how to hang back with Dad.
Beautiful area we live in.
It is. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Stop. Stop. Go ahead.